Factor completely w cubed plus 2w squared plus 3w plus 6. We see that we cannot factor any common factors out of all four terms, therefore our GCF is 1. And what is the case with most four-term problems that we need to factor? We will factor them by using the grouping technique, meaning we will group terms together that share a common factor. So we see that the first two terms share a common factor of w squared, and the last two terms share a common factor of positive 3. So we'll go ahead and group the first two terms together, w cubed plus 2w squared, and we will also group the last two terms together, positive 3w and a positive 6. Now we will factor the common factor out of each group, and as we said earlier, these two terms share a common factor of w squared. So we'll pull out the w squared, and we're left with w plus 2. And our second group, we will pull out the common factor of 3, and we're left with w plus 2. And a good indication that you're headed in the right direction with these problems is that what you're left over with after factoring out the common factor, they should end up being the same quantity in most cases. So that's a good indication that you're headed in the right direction. Now we have two terms, and these two terms share a common factor of w plus 2. So our greatest common factor now is w plus 2, and we will factor that out. And we are left with w squared plus 3. W squared plus 3. So our final answer, after factoring completely the quantity w plus 2 times the quantity w squared plus 3.